Hey there, welcome to my brand new art studio. Inspiration strikes whenever it strikes, and actually I was painting, but then I was really thinking about last week's Draw Tip Tuesday and about this pen that I showed you and how to use it. And I realized that to enjoy line, you need a certain sort of confidence with your pen. And the only way to get that confidence is by using it a lot. So that's one thing. But then I also thought, well, I really enjoy line and ink, but I also really love what you can do with just one single pencil, and then especially a colored pencil, because you can't erase it, but it has all the benefits of a lead pencil, a usual pencil. The only thing is you cannot erase it, so you cannot go back and think that was wrong, I need to do it again, and then you make the same mistake again. All that, plus a colored pencil has a nice color, which you can choose, and that will also add to your drawing. The thing with colored pencil is your line is less hard. When you use pen and ink, it's one hard line, and you just gotta go with the line that, goes wrong perhaps, or is wobbly. And that's great. But sometimes you need to have a little bit more wiggling room. So today I am using this colored pencil, which is a Caran Luminance pencil, and the color is Prussian Blue. It doesn't matter, you can use purple, brown, black, pink, red, blue, whichever color you like, but it has to be a little bit darker so it can contrast with your white paper. Let's just, again, just like last week, make a quick little drawing. You can draw anything you like. Just take 10 minutes and have some fun. I am drawing my art tools, just a bunch of tools that are here on my art table. Mostly brushes, anything related to painting currently is happening here in this art studio. And as I draw, I am trying to find my way, looking at the shapes and negative spaces between the shapes, so I get everything in my sketchbook. I am adding shading with just sort of a scribbly kind of gesture rather than neat hatching, for example. Colored pencil is really great for that, and it gives a lot of life to the drawing. And the nice thing about colored pencil is that you can draw something with just one single line and then that's it. Or you can add more to a line to change it a little bit or to emphasize on it, fix any mistakes that you might have made. And that way you sort of soften up your lines, and they are already kind of soft because of the material. Through this drawing, I am not sharpening my pencil because I kind of like the bluntness of the pencil tip, but also you can use the side of the pencil tip and for a thicker line, and you can make a bolder line and dark lines with that. And if you then turn the pencil, you actually have a really nice sharp tip on the other side, because the pen tip is kind of chiseled just like that calligraphy pen nib of last week. So there are many benefits and there are many possibilities to basically play with even one colored pencil. I am adding shading too, and it really helps if you look for shades and shadows to squint your eyes so you can see the contrast more. And the funny thing is that I am actually creating darker shadows in the foreground than in the background. I don't know if that is because I started at the back and now I'm at the front feeling a little bit more confident about it. However, it doesn't matter because I really like the effect of it because it pulls the eye of the viewer towards the front of the drawing, which is a great effect. And that's the wonderful thing. If you draw in your sketchbook, you will discover new things every time that you can use in the next drawing again in your sketchbook too. I could leave it like this, but I do want to add a little bit of watercolor because I just love the combination of watercolor and colored pencil. It feels also organic for some reason, and the watercolor will bring even more life to my drawing. Even though the colors aren't that spectacular, because these are all brushes, they're brownish, wooden color, blackish kind of colors. Still, it brings a lot of life, and I'm glad that I have those tubes going on in the background. There's a dash of red to add, and I think that completes the whole. Right. In spite of my wobbly camera, my wobbly table, I mean, I just moved into this art studio and not everything is as solid as it should be yet. Also, I never planned to actually record Draw Tip Tuesdays here because it's not really, you know, the place for it, I guess. Also, right now my studio mate isn't here, but this is a shared space, so it's not really for recording videos, but it doesn't matter and you don't care because I did record a video right now, and I really hope that it helped you to loosen up and have some fun, allow yourself to make mistakes and allow yourself to make a little bit more fiddly lines, but not too many. And yeah, make a quick little drawing. Do it right now. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because every time I have a new video coming out, you will get a notification, and that's very important because you don't want to miss out on any tips and inspiration, right? Right. I'll see you soon with another tip. Bye.